is our third year doing Santa's Workshop. Families from our community donate gently new or used items, and students get to shop for free. So every student gets to take home 2 items of family members that they choose for. And then after school, we open it up to our families and younger siblings to come in and shop for free as well and take home any other Christmas treasures they can find. All right, can you guys have a seat? Just quickly, right here. Yeah. Okay. If you don't have a bag, you can meet me over at the big box. The rest of you can go get 2 items. Go shopping. And what I find it does for our schools promotes Christmas, the spirit of giving, promoting empathy for others, and thinking of other people, not just yourself at Christmas time.
I just like shopping for my family because it's Christmas and it's a very jolly time of the year, and it's nice to give other people's presents. I got sorry from my family because we love board games, and I got a penguin stuffing for my brother. I got Mason. What?
It builds a big community for our school, gathers everyone together, and promotes the meaning of Christmas.